Hi friends, I am Aachal Omkarappa Rameshware. I am studying in BSc first year from Adarsh Education Society, Hingoli. I am representing Lagrange's mean value theorem. Statement: if a function f is continuous in a closed interval a comma b and derivable in open interval a comma b, then there exists at least one value c belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now let's prove the theorem. To prove the theorem, we define a new function phi involving f and designed so as satisfy the condition of Rolle's theorem. Let's phi of x is equal to f of x plus a multiplied by x implies x belongs to closed interval a comma b, where a is constant to be determined such that phi of a is equal to phi of b. Thus f of a plus capital A multiplied small a is equal to f of b plus capital A multiplied small b. So a is equal to minus f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now the function f is derivable in open interval a comma b. Also x is derivable and a is a constant. Therefore the phi is derivable in um, open interval a comma b. Thus phi is satisfy all condition of Rolle's theorem. There is at least one value c belongs to open interval a comma b such that phi dash of c is equal to 0, so that we have 0 is equal to phi dash of c is equal to f dash of c plus a. F dash of c is equal to minus a. So finally prove the f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Thank you.